In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link to an image in WordPress. This process is simple and quick, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure you can seamlessly embed links into your images. Let's dive right in with the steps. First up, we'll head over to wordpress.com. Open your browser and type in the address bar wordpress.com to navigate to the main website. Once you're there, the next thing you aim for is to log in. Locate the login button, which is typically at the top right corner of the page, and give it a click. After that, a login screen will present itself. Here, choose Continue with Google. This option is excellent if you prefer seamless integration and ease of access with your Google account. Now, you'll see a list of your Google accounts. Simply select the account you'd like to use. This might be your personal or business account, whichever one is associated with your WordPress site. Once logged in, take note of the Quick Links panel on the right hand side of your dashboard. Look for the option titled Edit Site and proceed to click on it. This action will take you to the main editing interface where all the page magic happens. Now we're in the editing zone. Move your attention to the top left corner of the screen. Here you'll find a plus sign symbol, which is the Add button. Give it a click to start the process of adding a new block to your page. With the block chooser open, you'll want to type the word image into the search bar. This will filter through the various options available, so you only see what pertains to images. Once you see the image block option, go ahead and click on it. Now that you've chosen your image block, it's time to move to the block options. Focus on the toolbar that appears at the top of your selected image block. One of these options will allow you to add a link. Click on Link, and you'll be prompted to enter the URL address you want your image to link to. Carefully enter the correct web address, ensuring there are no typos, as these can lead to broken links. Finally, with your link added, don't forget to save your changes. This might involve clicking Save or Update, depending on whether you're working on a new page or updating an existing one. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully learned how to add a link to an image in WordPress. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped simplify the process for you. Feel free to experiment with different images and links to make your WordPress site even more engaging. Happy editing!